December and started my own work, own business in the similar line. Actually, just I'm telling the little bit of background. I was transferred as a CEO in Egypt to look after Egypt and Dubai in Uflex. But at that point of time in 2011, there was turmoil, in Egypt. You must be knowing, Hosni Mubarak, the president was, people was against him, and uh, there are a lot of turmoil in Egypt. Particularly, I have two children. At that point of time, was studying. Daughter is in engineering, third year, and son is in second year of second year. And my wife is also a director of Springer India.
Okay.
Springer is the largest book publisher in the world, having their head office in Heidelberg, Germany, having 19,000 staff and 55 offices across the world. So all four are and the two. At that point of time, I thought, nobody can go. Only I have to go for 5 years. And मेरे बच्चे जो है वो 2-3 साल में बाहर चले जाएंगे.
अच्छा.
पढ़ने के लिए शादी हो जाएगी, तो it is better to leave the job. And it's a very lucrative job, tax-free salary from Dubai.
True.
But I left. I took a decision, council's decision, which was, everybody was thinking ये तो पागल है कि इतना पैसे की नौकरी छोड़ के established जगह छोड़ के अपना जीरो पे जा रहा है. So that I started with packaging, and after that, a lot of people have requested, why don't you start a chamber, to help the industries. Just a minute.
Yeah, no problem. Perfect. I also have a dog. No problem. कोई बात नहीं. So Gaurav, I think meanwhile Dr. Inderjeet can join us. I would humbly request you, we can commence for the proceedings, and let's start and finish on time and follow the professionalism. So I think
yes, we can start in just 2 minutes when Inderjeet sir come back, so that you don't miss any single thing.
Sure.
And I would like to welcome everyone. Welcome sir. Welcome Richu.
Hi guys. Hello.
Hi
Great,
sir.
great.
Hi Richu.
So, all right, guys, I believe we are all set. So I request everyone to be on mute and only unmute when your name is called. And if for any suggestion or any queries, please use the Zoom chat room. So now we have formally started. Hello, welcome everyone to PSI Community, Public Speaking Institute Community. This is your host and host GJ Gaurav Jain. मैं स्वागत करता हूं आपको पब्लिक स्पीकिंग की दुनिया में. जी हाँ दोस्तों, ये वो पब्लिक स्पीकिंग दुनिया है जहां पर आप अपने अंदर के पब्लिक स्पीकर को अनलिश कर सकते हैं, अवेकन कर सकते हैं. और हमारे साथ बहुत सारे मेंटर्स हैं, मेंस मेंटर जो है हमारे ऑथर शेरी हैं, जिनके बारे में हम जानेंगे. लेकिन उससे पहले जानते हैं What is this PSI? कहां से आई है, क्या करती है, क्या क्या कर चुकी है. So it's my real pleasure to share about PSI community. Welcome everyone to PSI Institute community. I would request everyone again to stay on mute so that it doesn't disturb the speaker. And now, what is PSI? PSI Public Speaking Institute is a premier institute of public speaking in India that is giving an opportunity to everyone who is willing to learn and share. I'm happy to share that PSI is delighted to give you the opportunity to be a part of this global community, which has over 2.5 lakh public speakers and trainers and is increasing day by day, every day. What is the vision of PSI? The vision of PSI is to have at least one public speaker in every home who can inspire their family. What is the mission of PSI? Let's understand the mission. Friends, mission of PSI is curated by our loving, great author Sherry, who himself is an international public speaker and coach and has many accolades attached to his name and has already trained over 15,000 speakers. His mission is also the mission of PSI community, and this is to 1 million professional public speakers by 2030. Objective of PSI, it is to promote public speaking, presentation skills, effective communication, storytelling skills, etc. Now, the wonderful PSI community have professional speakers, public speakers, anchors, coaches, trainers, influencers, authors, startup business owners, professionals, educators, and many, many more. What are the activities? You would love to know कि हम और क्या क्या करते हैं, क्या क्या activities हैं. So the activities performed in the community are Every fortnight, PSI conducts an online meetup where an international speaker and Indian speakers give talks, and people from the community get an opportunity to be the host of the event. You can see, in the upcoming, and already we have done almost more than 15 events already in last just 2-3 months. PSI also organizes day-wise activities with different activities listed each day, starting from promotional poster, YouTube promotion, and link sharing. One speaking tip for benefit content creation by sharing synopsis with valuable learning, humorous content, and audience tips for entertaining. Not only this, friends, the members also get to create and post video for maximum 3-minute duration with topic of their interest, also adding value to the community members. You all are requested to connect with us to become a member of this lovely community and join us on the WhatsApp group if you are already not. Right now, this is about the PSI community, and as you can see, there are a lot many faces in front of your screen. For all those people who have yet to submit their photograph, please share your photograph along with your profile, and your photos will be there very, very soon. These are all the registered members, as you can see, जिनकी photos हमें आ चुकी हैं. Now, it is my sheer pleasure to tell you about who is the main founder of this whole PSI community. We should know, right? I believe almost every one of you know, but the people who don't know, let's understand about this gentleman, Arthur Sherry. He is the founder and CEO of Public Speaking Institute. He is also the founder and president of MS Talks India, professional keynote speaker, 7 times, yes friends, 7 times international TEDx speaker, 3 times Josh Talk speaker, and author of international bestsellers. He has got so many awards. Let's welcome Arthur Sherry in the house. Arthur Sherry, welcome, sir.
Thank you,
and
Gaurav.
I would like to request you to say a few words, and then we officially start our event and also felicitate our esteemed, guest. Over to you.
Thank you, Gaurav. It's real pleasure for all of us that we have Dr. Inderjeet Ghosh with us today as our guest of honor. So welcome, sir. Welcome to this community. We are a tribe of professional public speakers, coaches, trainers, authors, entrepreneurs. And we started this entire community a long time back. But as the time progressed, we started focusing only on the subject of public speaking. And as Gaurav has mentioned, we are growing in leaps and bounds because in today's time, it is the need of the hour. Digital communication has become a part of our life, and we are now accepting it every day by coming in front of the screen, doing more video conferences, by interacting people on day-to-day life more virtually. Now, talking about the public speaking as a subject, I have a mission to create 1 million speakers by 2030, as you all know. So we have invited all of you today for this first ever networking meet. As you all know, we officially launched entire community this year only. And we really want that we should take this entire community to the next level with the support of each and every member who is a part of it now. As of now, we have not kept any registration fee. It's absolutely free. Any of your friend, any of your colleague, any of your near and dear one who wish to join this community, they can join absolutely free of cost. We are not charging any single penny, and they can learn public speaking and related activities absolutely free. Having said that, overall, the entire agenda of creating a community is that if we face any challenges, any problems, any situations, we are a community and we can interact with each other. As Gaurav has mentioned, we are on WhatsApp group also, we are on a Facebook group also, we are on a LinkedIn group also. Talking about this entire subject as a whole, I think it has a greater perspective because everywhere these days, in any field you talk about, public speaking has become of vast importance. When you are presenting yourself in front of people, you not only need good public speaking skills, communication skills, but also you need effective presentation and advanced storytelling skills to make sure that whatever message you are putting across the people, it should reach out their heart and touch their mind as well. Now, overall, the entire agenda of this institute and this community is that we should encourage people to have more and more public speakers. And my mission is that we should have one public speaker in every house. जैसे माता पिता क्या बोलते थे हमें बचपन से, हम बड़े हुए सब लोग, और आज भी ये ट्रेंड बहुत चल रहा है कि बच्चे को बड़े होके डॉक्टर बनाना है, इंजीनियर बनाना है। तो हमारा ये विजन है कि एक फैमिली में एक पब्लिक स्पीकर जरूर हो, और इससे पूरे देश को विकास होगा। देयर विल बी ओवरऑल ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द कंट्री, बिकॉज इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेटर्स आर फ्यूचर लीडर्स, and future leaders are the growth drivers of the economy, and that is what we are aiming for. So we want to take this entire soft skill into an overall positioning of enabling the power of expression for an individual. So public speaking is that skill which allows you. तो हमने एक ही स्किल को पकड़ के इतना सब कुछ क्रिएट कर दिया है, and today it is our honor that we have Dr. Inderjeet Ghosh with us. So Dr. Inderjeet sir, we welcome you once again, and we request you to kindly address all of us for next 5 minutes, and please take us through what all you see in this particular field of communication, because now you're a part of MSME as a chairman. So we really look forward for your key inputs कि कैसे हम लोग पब्लिक स्पीकिंग को घर घर तक पहुंचा सकते हैं, कैसे हम लोग जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं, जो कॉर्पोरेट्स हैं, उसके साथ जुड़ सकते हैं। और बहुत सारे पब्लिक स्पीकर्स हैं यहाँ पर, तो मैं ये चाहूंगा कि उनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म हम दें, किसी तरीके से हम पब्लिक स्पीकर्स को कॉर्पोरेट्स के साथ जोड़ें, कंपनीज के साथ जोड़ें, ताकि हम सब लोगों को प्रोफेशनली भी एक एज मिले। एंड बिसाइड्स दैट आई वांट कि हम लोग इसको बहुत कंसिस्टेंटली करें with a proper professional process which we can create. So we need your guidance, and undoubtedly we need your expert inputs on this entire subject. So welcome again, sir, and over to you.
Welcome, Dr. Inderjeet Ghosh. I would like to tell about Dr. Inderjeet Ghosh. He is a chairman of MSME Chamber of Commerce and Industry of India. He is also a chairman of Lions Club Delhi NCR. It is a sheer pleasure to have him here in Public Speaking Institute. Welcome. Welcome, sir. Over to you. Please share about yourself, and as author Sherry sir has mentioned, please also share what is the scope of public speaking with regards to MSME. Over to you, sir.
Good evening to all of you. I'm basically, having my experience, industrial experience of 25 years. I worked in Syntex Industries Limited for 10 years and 14 years in the Uflex Limited, one of the largest Indian multinational in flexible packaging. I left my job in 2011 December and started my own business in plastics and packaging. And after that, since I am very well connected with across the world, travel more than 40 countries, more than 35 times to Gulf countries and Dubai, including Dubai. So I have connected with a lot of people in various industries. I will give a small brief with MSME, and then I will start. In MSME Chamber of Commerce and Industry, we are working on 53 different sectors, and these 53 different sectors are headed by 53 vice presidents who are taking care of their industry globally, make them our member, and solve their issues. And if any issues to be addressed to PMO and Central Ministry, that I personally take care of that. That I will do single-handedly, directly with the government. And our chamber is doing activities. There are various activities we are in. Like we are doing at least 6 world-class large conference exhibitions and award functions in different parts of the country as well as in abroad. In 22 January end, we are having in Dubai, and June in London. And our upcoming events is coming 27 to 30th of August at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi, where almost 15 countries are participating. 188 plus speakers will be there from across the world. And we are expecting during this COVID time at least 2,500 people delegates will join us. And our intention is to call the ministers on the respective subjects, because the conference what we are going to do is on environment and climate change, plastic recycling, scrap and non-ferrous metals, automobile recycling, battery recycling, glass recycling, electrical vehicles. And in the last day, in one hall, we are giving the opportunity to the Indian MSMEs and Indian SMEs to go global. We are calling 20 ambassadors from different countries of the Commonwealth countries, out of 53 Commonwealth countries. And out of 53, there are a lot of African countries are also there in Commonwealth countries. And In Africa, you must be knowing they are not making anything like not tank, pipe, cables, or sanitary items. Nothing they are producing. They are all importing from abroad and with a high price. So we are. I am also the vice chair, senior global vice chairman of Commonwealth Entrepreneur Club London. Our motto is to take the Indian MSMEs and SMEs to foreign countries and put up their plant there, and we will help them, from the starting from getting the land, funding, and all these things. And we are encouraging 100 crore plus जो MSMEs है, उनको promote करने का, because you have to have certain money in your bank to start a factory in abroad. And there will be ample chance, we will see, 2021 to 2030 is a golden period of MSME and SMEs, because you must be knowing, the relationship with China is not well, and a lot of companies will ship to India, and our pan-India also, there are a lot of companies are coming. So in this coming 9-10 years is the golden period. The only thing, there are certain things has to be changed. For that, we are relentlessly working with the government, to make the as easy as possible, because in our country, to get a license, it takes 6 months time. Go to CPCB, take the approval, go to commerce and industries, go to environment. So 6 months lag jata hai. We are trying to do with the government. Government should do a single window within 21 days time. So anybody, otherwise, no foreign companies will come and put up the plant, and 6 months, they will take to register the license. So these are the small, certain things we have to also change. We are already all chambers like CII, FICCI, Astro Chamber, PhD, we all are working together. And let's hope, hope for the best. And to replace China, India is the only country who can replace China. But it is not an overnight job. It will take 5 to 10 years time. Because China is much, much more ahead than us, all automatic machines. India has started taking the automatic machines for the last 10, 15 years only. So a lot of things to be changed. But 750 crores population in the whole world. Out of that, 300 crores is India and China. So only India is the country who can replace China in the coming future. So a lot of European, we are already in touch with 14 companies from South Korea, Japan, USA, Canada, Singapore, Malaysia, Australia, who wants to put up the plant in India. So we are, as a chamber also, we are doing Make in India initiative. So we are already becoming the bridge between the government and the industries in abroad. Who wants to, when the flights will start, they will come to India and put up their, application for getting the license and so on. Then, the job creation will be there. You must be knowing, there is a huge hue and cry about the jobs, because last year, 12 crore people has lost their job in March, April, May months. Then again, November, approximately 72 lakhs people have lost their job in November, December. Again, on April, after the lockdown, 1.2 crore people have again lost a job. So almost 15 crore people have lost, 14 to 15 crore people have lost their job. And if you will see, one family at 4%, so almost 50 to 60 crore people out of 130 crore people are ideal today. So it's a very bad and hard situation, because immediately you cannot fill up 14 crores. The exports has totally closed. When the exports will open, nobody knows. And when the exports will open, it will take 4 to 6 months time to mature the supply, because once you take the negotiate with the people, they, finalize the order, then they will take 1 month time to give the LCA. You will take also 1 or 2 months time to supply the product. It is a 4 to 6 month game. So in 2021 is very rare to start the exports, maybe in November, December, or in next year. So the export is not there. Domestic requirement is also gone down drastically. Nobody is keeping any stocks, because the pandemic is going on. So nobody knows कि कितना दिन चलेगा, कितना दिन बंद रहेगा. So nobody wants to keep the stock. Previously क्या होता था कि any product all over the world, उनको अगर 4 पीस चाहिए तो 10 पीस स्टॉक कर लेते थे कि वे आगे बिक जाएगा. Nowadays nobody is doing that. They are only taking either 4 or 5 pieces only. So the requirement of the whole country has gone down. The companies also are running with a 50% staff. A lot of people have left. I mean, they have asked to leave the company, because they are not able to generate the salaries. So in this situation, the best thing we can do, to heal the people also, which our chamber is also doing continuously through webinars, all over the world, to speak each other and to create a lot of public speaker also to come forward and speak. because in this depression time, if you are attending any webinar for 1 hour or 2 hours in a day, that you have to prepare for that, then you will be little bit relaxed. Otherwise, throughout the day it's a negative thinking, but negative thinking करके कोई फायदा तो है नहीं. Whatever the positive we have to take. इस pandemic में, they have just destroyed the world, no doubt about it. But there are lots of opportunities also came. I can give a small example to you, particularly for the MSMEs. In the month of April or May last year, we got a consignment from China of PPE kits, sanitizer, and ventilator, which was very low quality, and we have sent back the consignment to China. And the Prime Minister at that time requested the few MSMEs and few large companies like PSUs, Indian Oil, Bharat Petroleum, and the company like Maruti. Why don't you produce ventilator, PPE kit? Why India cannot produce these products? So you will be happy to know that we in India today 118 MSMEs are making these products today, and we have supplied in 154 countries in the last 8 months' time. When we are the second largest supplier of these PPE kits and ventilator within 8 months' time. So India can do a lot of things. MSMEs also can do a lot of things. Only thing the push is there.
Dada, we have a question also for you, because we have a limited time and we are having some burning questions.
Okay.
So
you can ask any questions, so no problem. I can reply you.
Sir, I just wanted to ask you one question that as a part of MSME right now, how do you see this entire business of public speaking, communication? The reason I'm emphasizing it's part of soft skills, because this is a part of the entire project of skill development in India. And what we are planning to do is that we're enabling the people to get out of their shelf and speak more. So what are your views on how people can make a career into this?
If why not?
Yes.
In today's world, networking is so fast, and without networking,
Correct.
you cannot do. So networking, how you will do the networking? You have to connect. So connect through different social media, connect through webinars, connect through on telephone also. But public speaking is always having a very big importance in life, because there are a lot of people with doctorate, there are a lot of people are ministers, they cannot speak fluently, whether
Correct.
it is in Hindi or English, due to certain their background. Because in our country, the ministers is also coming in a different background. Out of, I'm very sorry to say, we have 541 MPs. Out of that, 350 has charged, either in the rape case or in the dacoities. So we can understand what better they can do for us. The time should come, the IIT, IIM, business school people, universities, top class people should come into the politics also. Then the country can rise.
So
anyway,
even
part
from
altogether.
Yeah, even apart from a politics also, there are now multiple fields which are open for speaking. So I want to ask you, I'm sure there might be some discussions with Nitin Gadkari ji also, who is the present minister of MSME. So what are his views कि हम इस वाले segment को public speaking या communication के segment को MSME के साथ, business के साथ,
he is doing his best. He is not saying anybody no to speak. He is speaking at least 3 to 4 or 5 webinars in a day, all over for the last 8-10 months. He is trying for that, but only thing मैंने आपको बोला ना कि basically क्या है कि public speaking is very much required, because in one small session you can transform somebody's life.
Absolutely.
So that
Sir,
is
how can we get into some coaching format, or how can we get into some more speeches format with different corporates which are listed with under MSME?
As a public
is there any system?
Association, what you are doing, you are calling and by taking a lot of speakers nationally and internationally.
Yes.
You can do different subjects discussion also in that speakers, because as a chamber, I am connected almost 700 to 800 speakers all over the world in different subjects.
Yes.
Whatever 53 subjects we are working, I know all the speakers, and in our upcoming conference also 200 plus speakers will be speaking from across the world. So all are top class speakers, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, doctorate people are there. From foreign also top class, industrialists from US and UK and lot of other places.
I'm sure.
Because in India, why I'm again and again trusting the coming 10 years will be the golden period for the industry, because recycling, waste management, water conservation, renewable energy, these are the future. And this is happening more than 25 to 30 years in Europe and America and all other places, and now it is entering to India. And I can give a being a chambers chairman, I can give certain details, like coming 3 years time that 3,000 recyclers are coming in India from pan India and from abroad.
Sir, for this particular sector, how can we create more opportunities? That is what I'm asking. अब इतने सारे पब्लिक स्पीकर हैं, इनको हम क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी दें? आज पब्लिक स्पीकर बन गए आप पैसे कैसे कमा सकते हो? हाउ कैन यू एसोसिएट विद एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? आप किसी कंपनी के पैनल में कैसे आ सकते हो? जैसे आप
you have to be in touch with a lot of corporates as well as associations and what you can say.
No, the people who have good network, it is fine with it. You rightly mentioned about networking.
But even those people are having good network. They also need speakers because every days are changing every day.
So is there any system कि हम जैसे अगर आज कोई किसी कंपनी को कोई स्पीकर चाहिए, I can say I have a big team of speakers and I can tell them कि यहाँ से ले सकते हैं.
That is the right way to approach. Association बनाने का मतलब ही वही है.
Yes.
These are the association. Whatever speakers you want in whichever subject we can provide you. Even you need Indian speakers, you need foreign speakers, we can arrange you according to the time. And nowadays because of the pandemic also, there is no need of the speakers coming from abroad to India and then speak. We can
Not
speak
at all.
from there by webinar, or we are also calling some certain speakers who are not able to come. They are sending their videos and we are connecting at the time of the conference with him when we are showing the video. And after showing the video, if anybody wants to ask any questions, he is online on the screen. So he or she can directly connect and give the reply. So a lot of technology is changing now, and COVID before COVID life and after COVID life, it is a totally different life altogether. Because if you see the education sector, 95% of the education sector is still going on webinar only. I mean, by internet only.
Yeah.
So, all over the world. So कभी किसी ने सोचा नहीं था कि ये possible है, but आज possible है ना, because a lot of people are traveling abroad for few days to get a finalize a order or deal. They are doing for the last 1.5 years by webinar only, because nobody can travel. So things are changing, and how it will take a shape we have to see. But public speaking is always, whatever the market, whichever the country is there, speaking and giving what you can fruitful lectures to the people, to transform their life. This is the job of the leaders.
Absolutely,
all
absolutely.
Leaders are doing like that, but you are as an association, you can support the industries also in various ways, because lots of people are arranging conferences, exhibitions, awards, functions. So you can support them also to connect with that people. We are ready to support you in speakers if you want. Today you are giving only the speakers. Maybe in a period of time you can add also other things also which you can offer to them to do a big business.
Absolutely, sir. In fact, we are really thankful to you for sharing your key inputs with us, and I'm going to speak to you offline also on the same, how we can create more parallel opportunities for all these people out there. In fact, the ideas which I have in my mind is that we can create some educational setup like a college or a university where we can help more and more people in the country to actually take this as a technical qualification, because public speaking is just not about speaking. It requires non-verbal cues, it requires your body language, it requires your content. As you have a great flow in your speaking.
I can tell
also.
I have already attached with 10 universities, business schools, IIM, for giving the lecture, how to the first year students and second year students, how to make yourself industry friendly. Because in our time in 80s and 90s, we got 4 to 6 months time to learn and then perform. But nowadays, all people are coming up with a high salary, with a high post. No companies will give you 6 months time. They have to perform within 1 month time, and next month onwards they have to perform. So that is also there. So public speaking, what you are saying, I can suggest to you in one thing. You can take a core people of the public speaking, the top class speakers in the country in various subjects. You make a group and you call them, to exchange ideas how to take it forward. And not only, why I'm saying, I was attached with 10 universities. I am attached with the university based in France. This is the first university in the whole world, International Interim University, IIU, who are doing the entire university, all courses, regular courses, online. This is the only university, virtual university, in the first time in the world. and you must be happy. You know, more than 600 to 1,000 people have already joined in, and we are having our operation in 195 countries, including
Sir,
India.
now the time has come for India also to start universities online, and I don't know how we can give this suggestion to anyone. You are the senior most person who is front of us today.
यूनिवर्सिटी तो यू कैन स्टार्ट. देखिए
हाँ.
ऐसा है कि आपका अगर इंटेंशन सही है कि मेन
सही है सर,
इंटेंशन
बिल्कुल
कि
नियत साफ है, बिल्कुल.
एजुकेशन पूरा देंगे और स्टूडेंट के अच्छे ही के लिए काम करेंगे,
हाँ.
पैसा तो आता ही रहेगा. So
हाँ.
then you will grow. But if you
money is a byproduct. Yes.
Basically other universities, you know what today's time, they are only interested for money. So
Yes.
that is, you know, ultimately जो main goal होता है वहां से हट जाते हैं.
वहां से हट जाता है. नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा सा ऐड करना चाहूंगा सर. यू रेज्ड अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट. Money becomes the byproduct when somebody is working with honest intention and highest emotion for the industry, and that is what I am carrying.
I can tell you, sir,
set up
a small example on my own. We have, you know, 13 offices in Pan India today and 44 offices in abroad. 57 offices we have, and we are going to open another 100 offices in, you know, Russia as well as in Africa and some certain parts of Europe. Our main intention is to, you know, spread the, you know, MSME work all over the world, skill development. Like, you know, we are attached with NPC, National Productivity Council, for promoting, you know, recycling waste to energy, water in the whole world. We are similarly, you know, attached to a 3 years contract with NASSCOM for working, you know, on artificial intelligence, startups in healthcare and pharmaceuticals, and Industry 4.0. Now we are going to do a MOU very recently, you know, with NSDC, National Skill Development Corporation. So we will give, you know, skill training. We will give you the skill level to, you know, the industries in the coming future. Like, you know, today, if you want to any, you know, even in a lower class also, labor class also, if you want to take a 10 years or 15 years experience person, he will charge, you know, 50,000 rupees, 60,000 rupees for his salary. But, you know, as the new students with, you know, skill training, he can join any company and you can get, you know, 25,000 to 35,000, you know, starting. It is helping to the industry also, because cost cutting you have to see in every aspect. कहाँ से आप cost cutting कर सकते हो, because the industries are becoming very, very tough day by day.
Very true. Very
Small,
true.
you know, I mean, what you can say, everything is fair. GST is applicable. Nobody is doing any wrong practices. But to earn money out of this competitive world, you have to be very, very, you know, competitive.
Oh, thank you
Thank
very
you,
much,
sir.
Thank
And I
you.
would like to intervene here because we have people waiting, but I just wanted to, I hate to stop you, but this is something so much interesting and so many insights today we got from Dr. Inderjeet Ghosh, and it is our sheer pleasure to get so many amazing information from you, sir. And I request Author Sherry, sir, to, you know, interact with him and be in touch with him offline as well. And now it is time to, you know, for whole PSI community, we would like to felicitate you, sir, with a small token of, you know, gratitude, appreciation. Please accept this from the whole PSI community. This is a certificate of appreciation.
Thank you very much.
And
thank you,
thank you so much, sir, for coming and gracing the occasion. We are, you know, really feeling blessed and looking forward to know and explore more opportunities to associate with you and your MSME organization. Thank you so much again.
Always welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
All right, friends, with this amazing talks, now it is time for networking meet, guys. Great. So once again, I wanted to say कि भैया कैमरा ऑन कर लो, बहुत जरूरी है. जिसका कैमरा ऑफ होगा, except the कुछ exceptions, उसको हम नहीं चांस देंगे इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए. ये बात पक्की है, ठीक है? क्योंकि जो कोरोना है वो छूने से फैलता है, ऐसा कुछ कहते थे. यहाँ वर्चुअली तो कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है, ठीक है? चाहे आपको जुकाम है, खांसी है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, आपके बाल ठीक नहीं है, आप आज नहाए नहीं है, संडे है, anything and everything. Friends, this is a public speaking institute, right? So no matter where you are, how you are, but this is the time to be visible, full on visible. और एक छोटी सी ट्रिक बताऊं before we start. आपके जो नाम है ना, आप उसको रीनेम कर सकते हैं जूम के अंदर. ये पता है ना, अभी मेरे को देखो गौरव जैन के आगे मैंने मिस्टर लुब्रिकेंट लिख दिया है. तो दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग कि आपका जो नाम है उसके साथ में आप अपना प्रोफेशन लिख सकते हैं, राइट? जैसे सोर्स खुराना, साथ में बेकर नहीं, स्पीकर नहीं, क्या हो आप? मैं भूल गया. तो आप जो हो वो आप लिख लो. देखो मेरे को पेस्ट्री की याद आ रही है आपको देख के यार.
पेस्ट्री की याद आई.
ओ अच्छा, नहीं आप
You look like a cotton candy.
पॉइंट इज, देखो मैं तो भूल जाता हूँ, मैं बादाम नहीं खाए, लेकिन बहुत जरूरी है कि सब लोग अपने नाम के आगे, एंड दिस इज अ ट्रिक यू कैन अप्लाई एवरीवेयर। आजकल हम बहुत सारे ऑनलाइन वेबिनार्स अटेंड कर रहे हैं, लोग आपका जब नाम देखेंगे वो ट्रिगर हो जाएगा कि हाँ यार, ऑथर शेरी पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, राइट? सुपर सुरेश जी, ओके, ही इज अ साउंड हीलर, राइट? विपुल गुप्ता, उसका कैमरा ऑफ है, उसके बारे में मैं बात नहीं करूंगा। रजत वाही, ओके, इवेंट मैनेजमेंट। सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जूम के अंदर जाइए, पार्टिसिपेंट्स पे क्लिक कीजिए, वहां पर अपने नाम पे क्लिक कीजिए, ऑप्शन आएगी रीनेम की, इट विल ओनली टेक फ्यू सेकेंड्स एंड यू आर डन।
कर दिए।
Yes, we can also see your face. We don't just want to see Speaker
Yes,
Sirish. We want to
yes,
see
exactly.
Speaker Sirish face here.
ऑलराइट गाइस, तो अब मैं एक एक करके सबका नाम अनाउंस करूंगा और जिसका
मैं
नाम
आप
बोलूंगा।
सोनू जी आप है? सोनू?
यस सर, यही
तो
हूँ।
हमने गुस्सा की माफी चाहता हूँ गौरव जी, मैं और सोनू जी ने सोचा
अरे
कि
मैं
थोड़ा
का नाम क्या है भाई? हेलो,
एक मिनट जी बोल रहा हूँ, सुनिए।
हेलो,
मैं और सोनू जी ने सोचा,
वो नहीं हुआ कि मैं आवाज से आपका नाम
कर रहा हूँ ऑन कर रहा हूँ। हमने सोचा थोड़ा एक सरप्राइज दे,
क्या कर
क्योंकि
रहे हो?
हमारा इंटेंशन था कि हमारा पीएसआई का कुछ एक लोगो जैसा कुछ बने, ताकि हम लोग सब अपने डिस्प्ले में रखे। तो जो भी दिमाग में ख्याल आया हमने किया। तो सोनू जी ऑन कीजिए, फिर देखते हैं शातिर शेरी का रिएक्शन।
ओके, तो मैं आपको स्पॉटलाइट का देता हूँ, रुकिए। एंड देन
Wow, that was amazing.
वाओ,
so cool, man.
दिस वाज
दिस इज
I'll
अमेजिंग।
sit in the center.
ओह वाओ,
I know,
व्हाट अ
अब-
लवली सरप्राइज। एक बार मैं ऑथर
Great,
शेरी सबको
Sonu.
भी स्पॉटलाइट में
अब
करता हूँ।
नहीं,
Very artistic.
अब गौरव को बोलो, अब जो कैमरा ये नहीं लगाएगा उससे नहीं पूछेंगे।
अगली बार से ऐसा कुछ लगा, अगली बार से ऐसा कुछ लगाने का है।
Yeah,
जो
send it over.
क्या
जो
बात।
इंसान हमको इतना कुछ दे रहा है, हमने सोचा कुछ बनाए ताकि
आपने एकदम अपने सर
visibility
के
हो।
बीच में
No,
वो
that's
कर दिया,
wonderful, that's wonderful.
कि मतलब
Yes,
सर
wonderful.
हम भी वो लेके चल रहे हैं ना सर का मिशन
क्या
साथ में अपने
बात
सर का।
Thank you so
This
much.
is our mission also. We
I'm
are going to
humbled.
be a part of this mission.
I'm humbled and thank you very much. In fact, आज हमने जो ये initiative लिया, chairman I MSME के, and the person of this caliber coming to our community, this just goes to show that we are all set to take off for a very big plan. And my intention is very simple, that I'm going beyond imagination to contribute in whatever way I can. He rightly mentioned that people run after money when they open an institute or the university, because you definitely need a cost setup model and a revenue model to survive. But at the same time, you need the right intentions as well, which thankfully God has given me. So I'm not a greedy guy. I am somebody who is ready to contribute to the lives of people, and I'm exactly doing that, right? And all basic amenities are required by everybody, so do I. But at the same time, the intention is to work beyond imagination and see where things can work out for other ones also. So I try to ask very stiff and straightforward questions to him. Some of them were replied very nicely by him, and some of them were actually presented with a lot of statistics. But we are really humbled with his presence. He took out some time and he spoke here with all of us. So I think that is something very big for all of us. And we are just moving on to the right place and the right path. And of course, we need your support. We all need to support each other to get this industry set up here in India. Because right now also, when you speak, people expect you to speak free. They don't understand the level of preparation speakers do. They don't realize that speakers go through a lot of thought process before they present an idea. And presenting an idea and impacting lives is also an energy exchange process, and people need to get paid for it. So we are definitely trying to work on it, and that was the whole intention. So with the support of Gaurav and other core team members, we were able to bring him here. So thank you very much to the entire core team, which is my strength, which is my real pillar of this entire community. And I think today's objective was very simple, to introduce in this community जो हमने बहुत time से नहीं करा. I wanted to start one-on-one with all of you, but then some personal situations, emergency happened at my place. I lost my dad and I could not carry forward that way. However, we thought of a lot of ideas, but then this idea popped up कि सबको इकट्ठे बुलाते हैं और मीटिंग करते हैं. And I think this is the best way to network and contribute and talk to each other, professionally introduce each other and understand where we can help each other. You never know, इस मीटिंग के बाद 2 या 3 लोग एक साथ मिल जाएं और वो तीनों एक दूसरे को जान जाएं और वो एक दूसरे के काम आए. So ये बहुत जरूरी है और इसी की जरूरत है. It is not about competition now, it is about collaboration. और कोलैबोरेशन में ही काम करके हम सब आगे बढ़ सकते हैं और हम वही कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो मैं आप सबको भी ये इंकरेज करूंगा कि आप जो भी जिस भी फील्ड में हैं, कोलैबोरेट करके एक दूसरे के काम आइए. अगर MS टॉक्स PSI के पास कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी आ रही है, हम डालते हैं, कोशिश कीजिए उसमें हिस्सा लीजिए. ठीक है, अपनी ईगो को, अपने फोकस को साइड रख के हिस्सा लीजिए, कंट्रीब्यूट कीजिए. उससे कई सारी चीजें हमें पता लग जाती हैं. कंट्रीब्यूशन इज द की. तो आप जैसे जैसे आगे आते जाएंगे, चीजें करते जाएंगे, automatically influence grow hota chala jata hai. I have grown like this in my life. Gaurav has grown like this in his life, and I'm sure many of you have grown like this in your life, and we all still want to grow. So on this note, I introduce myself as Author Sherry, founder and managing director of Public Speaking Institute, and my core niche area of speaking is into advanced storytelling, advanced presentation skills, self-improvement, and leadership communication. And I am a privileged member of this global community where we are interacting with a lot of public speakers day by day. And I would love to get in touch with all of you one-on-one. Whenever you are available, you have my number. I'll drop my digits here on WhatsApp on this chat box here in the Zoom. You can get in touch and we can definitely fix up a time and we can have a 15 to 20 minutes of call to understand each other and where we can support each other. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Sherry
you.
bhai. And friends, it is time now to introduce we all one by one. You already got a demo from the none other than Author Sherry himself, right? And now I will also introduce myself and then I'll announce everyone's name. Then only you please unmute so that there is no confusion. Okay. So guys, this is Gaurav Jain. You guys can call me GJ. That's my nickname. I am basically into my family business. We deals in automotive and industrial lubricants. And this is our family business since 1975. And the name of our brand is Z Premium. The tagline is think machine, think lubricant. And we supply all over India. The products are just like engine oil, gear oil, coolant, transformer oil, compressor oil, grease. So जहां पर भी मशीनें होती हैं वहां पर ऑयल लगता है, रेगुलर लेवल पे लगता है. आप अपनी गाड़ी की जो सर्विस कराते हैं उसमें ऑयल लगता है. So this is our product. I would love to get connected to any factory owner, any car workshop owner, or maybe a steel plant. So whosoever has in the multiple factories, that is a good connect for me. By profession, I'm also an author, entrepreneur, and anchor. I am this, anchoring and hosting. I'm doing it as a passion, and I'm also a part of BNI and Jito family. So this is about me. And now I would like to request our next speaker. I will make you spotlight. I request Super Suresh ji, please introduce yourself. And we only have just 1 minute. So please make sure that you are only using 1 good minute. Over to you, Super Suresh ji. Thank you.
Okay. And from today, this is not 1 million speaker is not mission of Author Sherry. It's mission of each and every one. We are going to stand with you. And that's the proof that we can see in the screen. Someone had taken a special care to create something and sit in front of that. So 1 million public speaker by 2030. So it's our mission. We are going to stand, and I'm Super Suresh ji. I live in Tamil Nadu, Chennai, and I am an energy and respect speaker. I respect energy, each and everyone's energy, and I love each and every one. And I'm also a German language teacher. If anyone interested to know more about German language, free education in Germany, and how to learn to respect energy and gain respect, please do get in touch with me. Stay super blessed.
Lovely. Thank you so much. And now I would like to request Baneet Kaur Anand.
Hi, everyone. Hi. Can I hear some energy? Can I have some energy from everyone?
Yes, we
Surkurana, and a few more participants, Kara ma'am, Author Sherry sir. So nice to be here. I'm so happy that I've come today, and in fact, Vipul, she did little bit motivation that Baneet, you should be a part of this group and you should come. So thanks, Vipul. The credit goes to you, purely to you. So yeah, so my name is Baneet Kaur and I am from Learning and Development Department. I've been in this industry from last 6 years, and I've worked with very few companies, renowned companies like Capgemini, Hexaware Technologies, Siemens. So my core skills lies into business skills and life skills program. And it's really nice to be part of this community, and I'm looking forward for a few more things in future. So when I'm when I'm completely through with it, I then would like to announce that what what else I'm coming up with.
Very nice. क्या बात है. Capgemini ये अभी हुआ ना, उससे पहले iGate था, iGate से पहले Patni था. So I also used to work with Patni Computers long time back. Anyways.
बहुत time हो गया उसको, मतलब 4 साल पहले की बात है, 5 साल पहले की बात है.
मैं तो खैर 13 साल पुरानी बात कर रहा हूँ.
I have done. I'm so happy to say this that even in pandemic, I was able to do few more assignments with few corporates. So I'm really happy with that, and बस ऐसे ही चलता रहे.
Super awesome. देखा दोस्तों आपने, it's a small world. तो आप अपने बारे में जब बताएंगे तो हो सकता है कि there's a mutual connect which can come up anytime, right? So now next is Sur Khurana. Over to you. Sur, आपका नाम बता दो.
Hi DJ. Yes, मेरा नाम सुर खुराना है, जैसे DJ ने बताया. So firstly, I was working with a corporate nutraceutical and pharmaceutical industry as dietary supplement advisor. Then I realized that I can offer more and be more. Hence, I started becoming more freelancer as a wellness coach. Eventually, I realized that physiological evolution के अलावा spiritual and psychological evolution की भी ज़रूरत है, और वो need भी है time. So I transcended my practices to more of mindfulness and psycho-spiritual approach. So I work today as a life coach on a freelance level, and I am a passionate speaker. Thanks to the PSI community, networking के साथ-साथ passion को थोड़ा सा skill set के रूप में निकाल के दे दिया. So it's always easy to see something intangible in a tangible way. You know where you can improvise, you know where you can, get better, and what's your USP, unique selling point. This is what I've all garnered, and I really look forward to give it back. That's all from my end.
Wow, very nice. Okay, so
Gaurav, just a moment. Please allow me to intervene. So by mistake, I have added you as a host. Can you please add me back as a host? Thank you.
Okay. All right.
Thank you. Please continue, Gaurav.
Sure. Thank you. Okay, so next we have is Mr. Rohin Sharma.
Yeah, good evening all. Thank you, Gaurav. Am I audible and visible, first of all?
Yeah, अरे वाह एकदम audible भी visible भी. Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Good evening to all. This is Rohin Sharma, and basically I'm from Pathankot, Punjab, and presently working with Reliance Industries as a security officer. And believe me, it was not my dream to be a security officer. And I just love reading, and my passion is public speaking. And I have been associated with Toastmasters International from last 4 years. Have been the club president and VP membership twice, and mentor to 6 members. And presently, I've given the interview for area director, where I will be handling 3 clubs. And just from last 2 or 3 months, I've started following my passion. And nowadays, I'm surfing a lot of on YouTube and uploading videos to follow my passion. I'm happy to be a part of this wonderful community. Thank you.
Wow, lovely, very nice.
Rohin, you also contribute. आप किसी topic पे आके speaking करो ना?
Yes, sir. I can speak of any whenever I get chance, I can speak on any of the topics.
Chance तो sir देखो अब ऐसा है ना, chance तो अब मिल ही गया, आप आए गए तो chance तो open हो गया. अब आप आओ किस दिन. I will ask Deepak to get in touch with you.
Sure, sir.
अगर आप बोलते हो तो आप आओ किसी topic पे हमें कुछ अपनी knowledge download दो. We all would love to learn from you.
Sure, sir. Sure. It would be my pleasure to. I'll get in touch with the.
रोहिन जी, हम लोग ना हर Thursday को एक सेशन करते हैं, ट्रेनिंग सीरीज करते हैं, तो you can also participate. So हमारे PSI community से ही कोई आए, that would be a best we can do.
Sure, sir. Sure. Yes. I would be happy to be a part of this.
We are also looking forward. Thank you so much. And friends, now next I would like to request Harpreet Arora to please unmute and introduce herself.
Hello and good evening, everyone. I'm Harpreet Arora from Indore, and I'm an inspirational speaker.
Before my marriage, I worked with corporates like Reliance Telecom and Star India Private Limited as academic advisor. And now, after my marriage, I handled my own family business, and I am doing public speaking as a passion. But it is my dream to be a renowned public speaker, and I'm learning and learning and want to be